Hello, ladies and gentlemen, fellow math enthusiasts around the world. We're back looking at the 2002 Cayley competition, and we're up to question number 7. If the point, -2, 4, is on a line with slope 1/2, then the y-intercept of this line is... Alright, so it'd be really nice if we had x is equal to 0 here, because then we'd be able to just read off the y-coordinate. Sadly, we can't do that, so we have to start thinking, how do we calculate the y-intercept for this line? Now, the most well-known use of the y-intercept is in the equation. There are several equations for a line. So there's the y-intercept equation, which is y equals mx plus b. And here m is the slope, and b is the y-intercept. There are lesser used forms. For example, there's the x-intercept form, where we do y equals mx minus a, where again we have the same slope, and a is the x-intercept. Then there's one of my favorites, point-slope form of the line, where you're given the slope and you're given a single set of points, point on the line. Okay, so these are three forms of the line. There's at least one more, the standard form. I think there's more if you get into vectors. But the point is, we don't have enough information to do y-intercept or x-intercept, but we do have exactly the information we need to talk about point-slope form of the line. And all these forms are interchangeable. So if we could write down point-slope form of the line, we could work around it and manipulate it algebraically till it is the x-intercept form of the line. So we're told that -2, 4 is on the line. And we also know the slope is 1/2. So using the point slope form of the line, y minus 4 is equal to 1/2 x minus -2, or really just x plus 2. So I can expand this out, and I want to rearrange and get it in y-intercept form. So I'll keep this y minus 4 here. I'm going to expand this out. I'll have a 1/2 x plus, well, what's a 1/2 times 2? It's 1. Now I can bring this 4 over to the other side. A 1/2 x plus 1 plus 4. And we quickly combine those two. We get a 1/2 x plus 5. Now, something I like to do at this point, just to make sure that everything's working out right, let's double check. We have a slope of a 1/2, so we've got that. And is the point -2, 4 still on this line? Well, if I plug in -2 here, a 1/2 times -2 is -1 plus 5. That's definitely going to be 4, so we're good to go. So this really is the line, the same line that we were talking about before, the same line they give us in the question, but now we have it in x-intercept form. So we can just very easily read off our our y-intercept. We want y-intercept here. The y-intercept is 5. So we have it in y-intercept form. If we'd wanted the x-intercept, we would have manipulated the equation and gotten the x-intercept form. So y-intercept for this line is, there it is, A5. Okay. So join me in the next video as we continue on with this Cayley competition and look at question number 8.